31 minutes, baby. Let's go. Right there. We're gonna have to go wide here because the road is like 10 feet wide. Turn is alright, we're good. Oh yeah, nice and smooth getting out of here. Wasn't that bad, just dropping off the material was a pain in the ass. I just hate doing these beach deliveries because the roads are so narrow. There's so many cars and people. It's just, you feel like you're gonna hit something or somebody's gonna hit you. It's just not it. But as long as we can get out of here, we're good. So that's all we gotta do. Just get the heck out of here. At least I get to go through a roundabout. Love roundabouts. Let's do it. Speed limit's 35. I ain't going 35 in this thing. Be like crazy to do some crazy stuff like that. It's too many kids and stuff. Too many people. Too many kids. See the beach a little bit. I mean, it's nice coming out here to, you know, see the views, but yeah, this is an easy one. So if I turned out of there, that right turn would have been pain in the ass right there. I did it last time, and it's just, there was more traffic last time, but ah, man, it's just too much.